are going on a picnic to Central Park. I got a dragon fruit. I think we're gonna pick up some bagels, but I just got this the other day and I love dragon fruit. I think it's dragon fruit season. I don't know, I usually eat it in the summer, but I was really craving it. This one's actually super ripe. So sweet. I love summer fruit. If you've never had a dragon fruit, you're missing out. Be a good boy. Yes, it's for you. I've been wanting to make Sichuan style boiled beef. I finally got the ingredients for it. It's one of my favorite meals. It's so spicy and so satisfying. I'm also just going to be making stir-fried cabbage, which is another one of my favorite things to eat. I got all these like spicy spices, so my mouth is watering. Okay, let's try out the boiled beef first. This looks super spicy. Oh, that's spicy. Cabbage. I think I made the beef a little too spicy, but it's so good. These little peppercorns, I like to call them little death balls because they're so mala. My mom used to put them in her cooking. I used to pick them out, but now I love them. I'm about to head out to a workout class. I'm going to do a Pilates class at Solid Core. It's my favorite kind of class to do, honestly. And I'm gonna meet up with Michelle. We're gonna go together. We actually haven't worked out together in a while because she recently moved. We were living pretty close to each other before, and now it's kind of like we're in a long distance relationship. Spending the day in her neighborhood today. I always wear this workout set because it's just so comfortable. From Lululemon. I love this like workout sports bra. Let's go. Oh, we're matching. I didn't even realize. I'm Dobby's here. Yeah. He interrupted. Good morning, everybody. Look how cute this cup is. It literally feels like summer here. It makes me so happy and excited because I love like the summertime here. For some reason, Samson and I have decided we are going to walk the city today. I've been seeing like these videos on my TikTok of people just like literally walking all over Manhattan. It has inspired me. I kind of want to try it. We love just like walking around the city, stopping at like a coffee shop or a restaurant. I don't know if we're gonna be able to walk the entire city, but it's worth a shot and I thought it might be fun. Originally we wanted to bring Kobe, but I honestly don't think he can handle so much walking. We're gonna be walking for like 5-6 hours. It definitely will feel so rewarding once we do it. And I feel like when you've been a couple for a long time, like we've been together for 9 years, you just kind of find these silly activities to do that is just kind of like fun for both of you, but maybe a little abnormal. Iced latte on a hot day, so refreshing. Started our journey of walking Manhattan today. Right now we have walked around 15 blocks or so.
Like 30 blocks.
30 blocks?
So, yeah.
Almost. Feeling pretty good. It is quite hot though. And I'm getting very sweaty.
She's already had to make a stop to get a drink.
First drink, a yuzu peach green tea. I'll take a muffin. This room is so nice. Second iced tea of the day. I'm running on iced tea over here. I got a muffin for some carbs.
4 miles already.
In 2 hours? We're already on 72nd. I'm gonna go into the park, walk up, over, come back down.
We'll see. We'll see how far we get
feel. Made it to 90th Street and now we're on the west side going downtown. We are starting to hurt.